How to edit your photos for creating hyperlapse. Hey guys, my name is Aria, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. You need to know two things before watching this video. First is what is hyperlapse and what's the difference between hyperlapse, motion lapse and time lapse. If you don't know, you can check out the video right here. And the second is know how to shoot photo for creating hyperlapse. If you don't know that either, you can check out the video. Alright, you shoot your photos with your phone or your camera for creating hyperlapse. Now what? We're gonna create this hyperlapse with Premiere and After Effects. Depends on your hyperlapse, maybe sometimes, maybe you are good to go just using Premiere. But usually we need After Effects for creating very high quality hyperlapse. Before we get into these two softwares, like this video. We're gonna test out how this hyperlapse turns out in Premiere and how it turns out in After Effects. Alright, so this is our raw photos and this is our edited photos. I edit this photo with Adobe Lightroom, like this. Okay, we're gonna start off with Premiere Pro. Go to Preference and Timeline. See right there, Still Image Default Duration. Change the second to a frame and write 1 frame. Hit OK, and then we can select the folder or select all our images and add to timeline. Because my sequence is in 1080p, the images is bigger. So we can select all these images, right click, set to frame size. As you can see, there is a lot of motions. Select all the images, right click and hit nest. It's gonna turn all these footages to one footage. In effects, search for warp stabilizer, add that to our footage. I think 5% is good, and after analyzing, we can play our hyperlapse. It's not good. It's really not good. Even in 50%, there's lots of motions. So in After Effects, we can add our folder to timeline, and in one of these frames in the middle, go to tracker and stabilize motion. Make sure the position and rotation is selected. We have 2 points for tracking the video. Scale that out, and I'm gonna move the tracker right about here. Make sure you move the tracker in this exact point for every frame. Move backward frame by frame. Adjust the position of these 2 trackers. Go back to that frame. Move forward. And we're gonna track this video frame by frame. And this is our track. As you can see, there's a lots of movements. Okay, we hit apply, X and Y. Okay, we're gonna play it out. Yeah, that is much smoother. And you can add motion blur. You can hit that 2 circles to add a motion blur. It is more interesting, especially for hyperlapse. And after you right click, pre-compose, select this one and hit OK. And you can adjust the position and scale. And this is your hyperlapse. Let me know down in the comments, have you ever used this technique or not? Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. And I will see you all next time.